Aloha, class. This is Brother Castillo here. This is it, Lesson 14, our final lesson, our final week in our course. I hope everyone's doing well and hanging in there. First of all, I need to apologize. I have a little cold here, and so I may sound somewhat frog-like and muffled, so please bear with me as we go into our final announcement for the course. As far as the agenda, share one final Did You Know? Thoughts from Lesson 13, the assignments that'll be due for Lesson 14, HOA meetings this week, and then one final thought. Did you know that the three most common languages in the world are Mandarin Chinese, Spanish, and English? So just some final thoughts on the course as we wrap up this week. I just ask you to reflect on what you've learned in this course between the cases and the discussions, the 7 habits and 5 dysfunctions, the books that we've read this semester, and finally, accountability project. As you look back and see and ponder about those things that you've learned, ask yourself, how have I become more of a disciple of Jesus Christ in my home, church, and the community? All right, as far as what's due this week, please especially pay attention as I'll clarify some of the things that are confusing on some of the online instructions. First of all, by Tuesday, make sure you do your 360 review of your peers in your group, as well as take the self-assessment. Now, by Friday, obviously there's no Monday due date because Friday is the last day of the semester. So make sure by Friday you've held your group activity, your HOA meeting, where you present your findings to the group from your accountability project. And if you want to meet earlier this week, please feel free to do so. And then you also need to submit your accountability project, the final document. The instructions for the document, or what needs to be in the document, are found under Lesson 14, Final Accountability Project Instructions. And then upload your the document, go to Assignments, and then Lesson 14, Accountability Final Project. As far as HOA group meetings this week, I will be meeting with groups 3 and 4 to hear about your accountability projects. Now, make sure for the other 6 groups that you record your meetings, because I actually will be watching all of the group meetings from this week. So the 6 that I won't be able to visit, please make your recordings. No team leaders were assigned for this week, so as a group, just figure out who will take charge, especially with the other 6 groups, and who will be leading the discussion and recording the meeting. Naturally, if you're in 3 or 4, just make sure you send out the link so that I can join your meeting. And finally, use your final project document as a basis for your group discussion. Finally, good luck. I know you guys got this. Not like you'll need it. It's been a pleasure being your instructor. I really enjoyed your passion and enthusiasm for the course. If you have any questions, please reach out. Do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you. Bye.